What if I told you there is a way you could spy on your competition's online presence and get an alert when a change happens to their online presence? My name is Mido Saeed, the CEO and the founder of LineRank.net, the most simplified and affordable search engine optimization tool. If you have signed up for the early bird discount, make sure to check your email because there is a link where you can sign up. If not, you can learn more when you visit our website, which is linerank.net. When it comes to online presence, your competitions are the enemy of your business because if there was no competition, your business will be booming and your profit will be increasing. So your competition try to dominate the local marketplace so they can collect more traffic, more leads, more sales. And that's where comes the beauty of Line Rank. One of the features that Line Rank offer is your competition analytics or competition spy. Line Rank will watch the local marketplace for you. So every time your competition rank up or rank down or even post something on social media, you will get an email alert tell you, hey, there is something going on around with your competition. Make sure to check it out so you can have an idea what's going on around in your marketplace. Let me show you how it's done. Normally, you will receive an email like this. It say your competitors' ranking have changed, and when you click on it, it show you a screenshot of your competitions. This in this particular an example, they rank higher. So give you a screenshot, the keyword ranking, and give you a link back to your account so you can look for more tasks. And another example right here, see what happened this past week, give you a weekly update about your competition. They posted this one, they posted on Twitter, Facebook. Another one was Facebook, all your competition activities online. So you watch them and see what exactly they are doing, and you can outwork or outrank them. And at the end, it gives you a link back to your account. And if you log into your account, this is at the dashboard for your account, your Line Rank account. This particular account has moved up or improved 8,000 because it was a brand new, moved from nowhere, start ranking higher. But if you click on report on the left hand, click search engines, it give you your keyword ranking, your positions, it give you 3 dates and the search volume for each keyword. If you scroll to the bottom, it give you update on all the keywords, all the days in the last, I think 10 days. The ranking is going up or going down, so you can have a control what you need to do. And here it gives you your competitor rankings. And the beauty of Line Rank is it guides you on everything. If somebody doesn't know how to use or how to read that graphic or your competitions, you click here, it show you what to look for, the numbers, and so on and so on. So it's very, very easy to use. But if you scroll down here, it gives you your competition. You choose those competition when you set up your account, and it gives you the keyword and their ranking. So let's say this pain clinic keyword, the first competitors is number 1, the second is number 3, and the third position. And your business or your website is not ranked, so you need to focus more on this keyword if that's what you are trying to rank higher. Give you, of course, if it's the map, it'll show you here, right here, it show you all the ranking for all the time, and you see if they rank higher or rank down as well. And this is the beauty of Line Rank. It literally spy on your competition, give you an update, daily update every time you log in, and you can download it. You do your analytics, you send it to your like your blog writer if you want to focus on keywords. So let's say you want to focus on this keyword, you start writing blogs about pain clinic and so on and so on. So it literally it show you what your competition's doing online, and it give you the analytics, the numbers, and what you need to do. If you go back here, your tasks, so it gives you like you need to, this is a dummy account, but it show you like you need to sign up to Bing Webmaster Tools. You click here, and it show you literally step by step what you need to do right here, and a video on how to do it. Once you're done, you finish it, or you can do it later. And every time you log in, it give you tasks like this. Let's say if I want to do this later, and move on to the next task, which is right here. Work with visual on your company. So that's mean tell you need to post more on Facebook. How to do it by reading it step by step, or a video, so you have an idea what you need to do. This is it, guys. Very simple, very easy to use. My next video will be showing you guys how easy it is to set up your account and to finish those tasks. Thank you guys for watching. If you need more information, feel free to message me, comment below, or check out our website. Thank you.